How to turn off send message sound in WhatsApp on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find these options pop up. Simply click on Settings, which is the last option. In Settings, scroll down and click on Notifications. After you click on Notifications, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the top, click on Conversation Tones and turn it off. As you can see, it plays sounds for incoming and outgoing messages. Now at the bottom, click on Notification Tone, which is below Message. After you have done that, select Sounds at the bottom. Then select None in here and press on OK at the bottom. After you have pressed on OK, you're good to go. This is how to turn off send message sound in WhatsApp on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.